been getting a ton of questions on how to pleat without a pleater. One of the ways is to make your own grid. I am aware that the dots are no longer available. You can make your own dots though, and I have another video on how to do that. Another way, and if you don't want to make your own dots, you don't want to buy my template, then you can just buy yourself some gingham, okay? Buy yourself some gingham. I would choose sizes. I wouldn't go any lower than 1/4 inch, and I wouldn't go anywhere above a half inch is really, in my opinion, too big for this. So I would do either 1/4 inch gingham, or I would do like a 3/8 inch gingham. And I have a video on how to hand pleat gingham. I know this sounds snobby, but I believe firmly, strongly that gingham should only be hand pleated. That's just my personal preference. I know you can line them up and you can make them look good. They do look good going through a smocking pleater, but they really just doing it by hand, it just is like the icing on the cake. All those rows line up, all those colors are consistent. It just is worth the time. So pleating by gingham though allows you, or pleating on gingham allows you not to have a pleater, because you really should be pleating them by hand anyways, and it allows you to skip the step of having dots or making your own dots or buying my dots. You just buy yourself some gingham. I will have some link below, and that is all that is to it. I am getting tongue-tied, so I think that's my call to go. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, guys, we appreciate y'all for watching, and we hope to catch y'all next time. Mwah.